slice of my face plant pizza!
Oh boy.
Mama's just bought you a one-way ticket to Kissy Town!
Oh boy.
Get back here, little boy!
Welcome to my evil subterranean lair.
What is this place?
A prison of unspeakable horrors!
What? An evil subterranean lair has to be grotesque. An oil man can't attempt to replicate the lost childhood he never enjoyed. A place for his friends, if Daddy ever let him have any, could enjoy just hanging round. Rise! Up! Up!
You'll never get away with this, Magnate!
Enjoy the view, Missy!
Can't wait to see the look on Timmy Turner's face when we use the flickering incarcerator. Turn the power of his own fairies against him.
Fairies! Mr. Crocker, is that you?
No, it's Jim Dingle Whipple.
So,
Let's
test this baby out. So you press the button and squeeze the magic from the fairies to you. Make a wish. Anything?
Oh, hey. You know what I've always wanted? I wish I had one of those great big ball pits that Daddy never let me play in. He said I'd get pink eye.
Well,
Stop it! You're hurting them!
I wish it was bottomless.
yep, that's bottomless.
And I wish you fell in it, Crocker.
Oh, wait, Dobby had something special.
Here we are eating hot dogs that we paid for with our own money.
Cha-ching, working men and ladies checking us out.
Hey, there's Timmy. What's he doing here?
Chester, I need a security expert stat.
Say what?
You gotta help me. Magnate's kidnapped friends, and if I don't save them, then we're all in big trouble.
Wait, if somebody's been kidnapped, we need to call the